I'm Becky.
And I'm Ashley.
And we're the Real Minnesota Moms. Today, we're having our annual mother-daughter cookie bake. So all of our daughters and mothers and everybody is coming over to decorate cookies, make Christmas pretzels, and make a big old mess. Speaking of, here's the girls. Come here.
This is my daughter Brenna. How old are you?
7.
7. And this is
Emmy.
Emmy.
And how old are you?
4.
4.
And you're gonna be almost
5.
Yeah! Brenna belongs to this one, and this one belongs to me.
We're gonna make some cookies, we're gonna decorate, and we're gonna have some holiday fun. Christmas time.
Christmas time. All right, let's do this thing.
You tell a single soul what I'm about to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now you dear old man, whisper what you'll bring to me. Tell me if you can. Oh, when the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep, down that chimney broad and black, with your pack, your creep, all the stockings you...
Alright, our cookies are made. We are ready for Christmas. Did we do good, guys?
We did good.
Awesome. Everybody did. We got lots of moms and daughters. We are ready for Christmas. We are cookied out. Thanks for having fun with us. We'll see you next time. Hit subscribe.
Comment below. What's your favorite Christmas tradition?
Yeah, let us know.
This is ours.
Awesome. Merry Christmas from the Minnesota Moms. Boop.